Hey everyone, this is Sultan with RexTheme, and today I'm here to give you a great news regarding a change we made in our WooCommerce Sell Kit Bundle. In case you're wondering, WooCommerce Sell Kit is a premium toolkit that includes several essential plugins to help you attract more customers, increase revenue, or scale faster. Now, up until today, the way we were offering Sell Kit was probably not optimized for most WooCommerce users. It was either too expensive or all the plans included several plugins that you probably did not need. But we've been working behind the scenes to improve Sell Kit, not just the plugins or the bundle, but the whole way we offer it. Now, with the new plans, you'll be paying a lot less than before and get more value for money. We have distributed this into 3 different categories. First, there's the Essential Kit. In case you're running a small WooCommerce store and want to grow faster with smart focus tools, then the Essential Kit is probably all you need. Next, there's the Growth Kit. If your focus is to increase conversions and run advanced campaigns, then the Growth Kit gives you more flexibility and control to help you reach your goals. And finally, the Professional Kit. In case you need to work with multiple sites or clients and need access to unlimited sites, then the Professional Kit is built just for you. So as you can see, we have reformed the plans and the way we offer the WooCommerce Sell Kit Bundle so that you can take what you need for your store to reach your goals. Okay, so go ahead and check out the new pricing plans. I put the link in the description below. So that's it from me today. Go ahead and take a look at Sell Kit. I'm sure you're going to love the new plans, and I'm sure this is something that's going to help you scale up your business with more precision. And if you have any questions or opinions to share, go ahead and share in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and respond. Take care.